Hey you guys, welcome back. It's your girl A.MaRee coming to you with a collab video. Yes, so let's pause right there. Let's get something understood. This look right here is not, I repeat, it is not what you're about to see in this collab makeup tutorial. What had happened was, for some odd reason, my camera would like record some, delete some, record some, mess up some. I don't know what was been going on with recording lately, but this is my second time in this video to record the makeup look, and once I got all of it recorded, my intro is no longer there. Now that we got that out the way, let's talk about this collab though. So y'all, I'm on a live one day and there was a girl watching me and she was like, you know what, I'm gonna hit your inbox, I'm gonna hit you up, we need to talk, sis. So I was like, okay girl, what's up, what we need to talk about, girl? We should hook up and do a collab. So y'all know the girl who I am. I love to collab with any and everybody as long as your makeup looks are, I'm gonna collab with you. Like, that's what we're gonna do, boo. And I checked out her channel and y'all, YOB1, like, girl, who she playing? She is talented. You hear me? If y'all don't know who YOB1 is, go check her out. And she is a sweetheart. I want y'all to sit back, get you some popcorn and a Coke, girl, because I need you to go and watch both videos. Watch mine. If you want to get this look, watch my video. And if you want to see the fun, colored, light, vibrant look Yo did, I'm gonna have her link straight down in the hot box. You know how I do. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to both of our channels. And if you are wanting to collab with your girl, just hit me up in the email or DM, inbox, whichever one you like. Every bit of social media handles and email is down below in the hot box. So if y'all want to get this summer vibe look, keep watching, boo boo.